Hey, Sarah.
Hey.
I was told you were doing something really important.
Well, I was contemplating what I should snack on, and I've decided I'm going with hydration. Infused water hydration is the healthier choice, and caffeination is the second choice. Coffee milega, please black.
Sarah, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of home food?
When I think of home food, dal chawal bhindi.
When you think of school, what is your fondest memory?
Getting into Columbia. I'm in Columbia Blue. I just realized. Sorry.
If you have a week with no work, what do you usually like doing?
Traveling.
What do you look for in a script these days?
The ability to do something different and fresh.
Do you ever rewatch your old films?
Yes.
Do you prefer to rehearse a lot or be spontaneous?
I think it again depends, but usually spontaneous.
अगर कोई एक्टिंग स्कूल होता तो मर्डर मुबारक का कौन सा कास्ट मेंबर डीन होता?
It depends school कैसा होता. Normal school तो पंकज सर, थोड़ा हटके school तो डिम्पल मैम. So it's one of the two.
एज एन एक्टर आप एस्पायरिंग डायरेक्टर्स को क्या एडवाइस देंगे?
Cast me? Aspiring directors को तो यही बोलूँ.
दिस इज व्हाई वी लव यू.
Thank you.
आपका कॉस्ट्यूम चेंज है अभी.
ये prop के साथ हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
What is one thing you still have from your childhood?
Little bit of like I'm large syndrome, that insecure feeling.
What do you think of when you Google yourself?
ये नहीं करना चाहिए था.
What is something you want to tell your old self?
Faith बरकरार रखो.
Are you the kind of a person who likes to solve a murder movie while watching it?
Honestly, if it's a good murder movie like mine, Murder Mubarak, then you won't be able to. But yes, the attempt is always fun.
What is junk food that you absolutely love having?
Chole bhature? Is it junk food? I love it. Please come. Yeah, what's up?
मर्डर मुबारक की सबसे कंपेलिंग बात क्या है?
सबसे कंपेलिंग बात यह है कि आपको पता नहीं होगा कि मर्डर किसने किया है. वही कंपेलिंग होना चाहिए. कास्ट भी बहुत अच्छी है, डायरेक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा है.
What do you think is the most misunderstood thing about you?
I think that because I'm funny or whatever, people can think that I lack gravitas. People can think that like इसको तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. That's not true.
What is something that you want people to look out for when it comes to Murder Mubarak?
I think it's a great feast, you know. There are different flavors and the whole meal is wholesome and it's like a lot of fun.
And finally, Sarah, खूनी कौन है?
आपको नहीं बताऊंगी, लेकिन आप देख सकते हो 15 मार्च के बाद नेटफ्लिक्स पर और उसके बाद 16, 17, 18 हर रोज देख सकते हो नेटफ्लिक्स पर मर्डर.